In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timestamps in Google Sheets automatically. If you want Google Sheets to record the time when something is entered in another column. This is a simple method that works well and is easy to set up. The goal here is to create a timestamp that appears automatically and then stays in place, instead of updating constantly. To make that happen, we'll first adjust one important spreadsheet setting and then we'll enter a formula. Start by opening your Google Sheet and going to the File menu. From there, click Settings, which may also appear as Spreadsheet Settings depending on the version you see. Once the Settings window opens, choose the Calculation tab. In this section, turn Iterative Calculation on. This setting allows the formula we're about to use to keep the timestamp fixed after it appears. Then change the maximum number of iterations to 1. That part is important because it prevents the formula from repeatedly recalculating. After that, click Save Settings. Now that the spreadsheet is configured correctly, go to the cell in column B where you want the first automatic timestamp to appear. Enter this formula, equals IFS. Open parenthesis. A 2 equals an empty set of quotation marks, comma. An empty set of quotation marks, comma. B2 equals an empty set of quotation marks, comma. Now, open and close parenthesis, comma, true, comma. B2, then close parenthesis. Once you've entered the formula, press Enter. What this does is check whether cell A2 is empty. If it is, then the timestamp cell stays blank. If A2 contains something and B2 is still empty, Google Sheets inserts the current date and time using the Now function. If B2 already has a timestamp, the formula keeps that existing value instead of replacing it. That's what makes the timestamp stay locked after the first entry. After confirming the formula works in the first row, drag it down through the rest of column B so the same behavior applies to the rest of your sheet. This is useful if you are tracking entries line by line, such as form responses, task updates, or data logs. Finally, select column B. Go to the Format menu. Choose Number, and then click Date Time. This makes the timestamps display in a clean, readable format so they're easier to review at a glance. And that's it. Your Google Sheet will now automatically add timestamps when data is entered in column A. Thanks for watching.